Alright, YouTube. I have this strong feeling of deja vu again, let me tell you. The 327 is back on the lift again. The throwout bearing started squealing horribly. I mean, it was making some terrible noises. So we got that one on there. Hold on, this is the bad bearing right here. Won't even twist. Let's see. I don't know if you. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but it is bad. I mean, it was squealing so bad. We're gonna clean up the 327, change the oil, wipe down all the chrome, and slap it right back in. We were so close to having this thing set right, and then that throwout bearing started squealing. It's like the worst feeling ever knowing I have to take this engine back out. But here we are, so I guess it doesn't matter. We'll get it back in. Until the next video.